Hello friends, welcome to the Family Pharma channel. Today we are going to discuss a widely usual prescription kit called Helicon Kit, manufactured by General Pharmaceuticals Limited. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about the Helicon Kit to help you better understand this medicine. In this video, you will learn what is Helicon Kit, how does it work, what disease is it used for, correct doses and uses instructions, side effects, and some important warnings and precautions. Not only this video, I have also included detailed information about Helicon Kit in the video's description box. Be sure to check it out. What is Helicon Kit? Helicon Kit is a medical combination pack containing 3 medicines: Lansoprazole 30 mg, Amoxicillin 1000 mg, Clarithromycin 500 mg. Together, these medicines help eliminate a harmful bacterium called Helicobacter pylori or H.pylori, one of the main cause of gastric ulcers, stomach pain, and chronic gastritis. Let's first understand what Helicobacter pylori is. Helicobacter pylori is a gram-negative spiral-shaped bacterium that lives in the human stomach. It is found in the stomachs of about 50% of people worldwide, though many have no symptoms at all. How does Helicobacter pylori cause harm? Causes inflammation of the stomach lining, damages the protective mucus layer, allowing acid to harm the stomach wall, leads to gastric and duodenal ulcers. Long-term infection increases the risk of gastric cancer and mild lymphoma. In summary, Helicobacter pylori is a common but dangerous bacterium, and proper diagnosis and treatment can completely eradicate it. Common symptoms of Helicobacter pylori infection: burning or pain in the upper abdomen, gas or bloating, indigestion, feeling full after meals, frequent burping or acid reflux, loss of appetite, unexplained weight loss, nausea or vomiting, black or tarry stool. How does Helicon Kit work? Each medicine in the kit plays a specific role. Lansoprazole is a proton pump inhibitor that reduces stomach acid production. Amoxicillin and Clarithromycin are antibiotics that together destroy Helicobacter pylori bacteria. Together, these 3 medicines heal stomach ulcers and help completely eliminate Helicobacter pylori. Treatment protocol: Helicon Kit follows the triple therapy model: 1 proton pump inhibitor, suppose Lansoprazole, 2 antibiotics, suppose Amoxicillin and Clarithromycin. These are usually taken for 7 to 14 days, and Helicon Kit conveniently includes all 3 medicines in one pack. Common uses of Helicon Kit: gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer, Helicobacter pylori infection, chronic indigestion and abdominal pain, ulcers caused by NSAID. Correct doses and uses of Helicon Kit. Typically, Helicon Kit is taken twice a day, one in the morning and once at night before meals. Each time, the following 3 medicines are taken together: Lansoprazole 30 mg, Amoxicillin 500 plus 500 equals to 1000 mg, Clarithromycin 500 mg. The treatment duration usually ranges from 7 to 14 days, depending on the patient's condition and the doctor's advice. Important: always use the medication only under the supervision of a registered physician. Precautions: incomplete treatment may lead to persistent infection and complications. Family member may also be infected, so doctors may advise screening others. Self-medication with antibiotics is dangerous and may lead to antibiotics resistance. Possible side effects of Helicon Kit. Common side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, change in taste, bloating, headache, allergic reactions. If you notice any serious side effects, consult doctor immediately. Warning and recommendation about Helicon Kit: do not start or stop Helicon Kit without medical advice. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use only under medical supervision. Patients with liver or kidney issues may require dose adjustments. Helicon Kit may interact with other medications. Always inform your doctor. No, not completing the full course increases the risk of treatment failure. Important message. This video is for educational purposes only. Helicon Kit is a prescription-only medicine and should only be taken after consulting a registered doctor. Self-medication can be dangerous. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Family Pharma channel for more health-related content. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.